Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string functions, rIndex, rjust, rstrip, rsplit. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So strings are nothing but collection of any characters. So the technical definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. For example, we can write hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes. We can also use triple quotes to represent multi-line string. So now coming to string indexes. For each and every character of a string, we have indexes. And these indexes are 0 to n minus 1. For example, SS hello, HELLO. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are left to right, and minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, which is right to left. So both forward and backward indexes are supported by Python string indexes. And we use slice operator to access individual characters of a string. For example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or SS of minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So next, coming to the functions, rIndex. So it gives the index position of a substring in the original string from backward direction, from last to first occurrence. Next one, rjust. So it will justify our string towards the right side by filling spaces or special characters on the left side. Right side justification. Rstrip. So it will be stripping or removing spaces or special characters, given characters, from the right side of a given string till the occurrence of non-matching character. Rsplit. So it will split the given string into substrings, okay, provided with a separator. If the separator is not there, it will take based on spaces, and this is done from the right side, backward direction, for the first occurrence of the separator. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python string functions example 8. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So next I'm taking a string, hello to students, welcome to all, bye to all. Right. So let us try to work with all the cases one by one. So first, ss dot rIndex2. So from the right side, 2, TO2, the first occurrence of 2, it will give the index position. So save the program in your working directory, come to the prompt where you have saved it and run it. So from the right side, the first occurrence of 2 is 48th index. Next, ss dot rIndex to 10. So start from 10th index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so from the 10th index, okay, find 2 from the right side. So again you will get 40 only. So save it and run. 40th. Okay, now if you see here, ss dot rIndex to 5 comma 39. So 5 means it will start from space, from here 39. So 39 is still here, okay, by space. So from here, the first occurrence of 2 is welcome to. So we should get that index now. Welcome to 27th index. Next, if the particular substring is not found, you will get the value error. So ss dot rIndex of 2, TOO2. So substring is not found, we'll get the value error. Okay, so next, so let us put comment for this. So next, coming to rjust, justification of a string only from the right side. So ss is equals to hello. Okay, right. So ss dot rjust 10. So total 10 characters in that. Hello will be justified towards right side. So on the left side we will get the spaces. Right. Run the program. So we got 5 spaces on the left side. HELLO 5 characters, total 10 characters. Next. ss dot rjust 10 star. So now instead of putting spaces, it will put stars on the left side. So 5 stars, hello. Okay. Next, rstrip. Stripping means removing spaces or characters from the right side. So ss is equals to, I'm taking here 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces, hello. 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces. So ss dot rstrip. So removing spaces from the right side. You will just get hello. So 3 spaces, hello. From the right side, spaces are removed. Okay. Now let us take special characters for our easy understanding. I'm taking 3 stars, hello, 3 stars. So here ss dot rstrip star. Okay. Right. So it will remove stars from the right side till the non-occurrence of character. So non-matching occurrence character is O. It will stop. Okay. Right. So for example, I can also use one more case here. Something like star dot. So star dot, 3 stars on the right side. So save this and run. See here. Dot is the non-matching character. So it will stop. After that, though you have stars, it will not remove. Right. So next, coming to rsplit. So splitting the string from the right side and providing a list. So hello to students, welcome to all, bye to all. So ss.rsplit. So it will return a list, but that list will be in forward direction. Hello space to space students comma space welcome space to space all comma space bye to all. Okay, with spaces. Right. It will return a list only. Next, ss.split based on comma. So from the right side it will do the splitting. So but it will store in the list in the forward direction. So here bye to all space. See here, bye to all, we have a space, welcome to all space, hello to students. So 3 splitted strings in the form of list. Now coming to the next case, ss.rsplit space 1. So till 1 count only it will split. So you will get 2 strings. See here, all, see here, all space, this is first string, and from 2 to hello this is second string. So 2 to hello is the second string, all is the first string from the right side. Only 2 strings. Now if I take something like 3 from the right side, it will split till 3 spaces. Okay, and after that remaining string is also stored in the list. Right, see here, all, 2, bye. So 3 splits, remaining all, hello to students comma welcome to all comma will be there in the list as the remaining unsplitted string. So this is how we are supposed to work with string functions rIndex, rjust, rstrip, and rsplit. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.